Hi guys, my name is Pral. Today I will talk to you about my project for Computer Programming 1 subject in Kasetsart University, and this is the book collection project. Book collection project is the application for managing everything about book collection data. And the reason that I decided to do this project because one of my hobby is reading a manga, and I have so many of books in my room, so I have to create program to manage it. Yep.
Next, let's talk about my program structure. Look at my diagram, you can see that I have 3 main classes and 2 decorating class. First, book class. This class is used for representing a book, and each book will have their own detail which are used to create attributes such as name, author, publisher. In the addition, the ID of each book will be created automatically in this class too. Next is BookDB class. This one is used for managing our database file in this program. And next is display class. Is used to display our graphic screen by using total graphic and print some table on the console. And these 2 little guys, console color and screen color, are used for decorating an application theme. Next, let's move to my code. I have 5 Python files and 2 database files that will be created when first running program, and about 3 photos of pictures. Let me talk about the Python file. First, book.py. I use this file to store a book class, and the main attribute of this class are attributes of the book details, just like names of book, author, ISBN, and others that you need to create a book. Next attribute is database, which is the object of BookDB, and last one is the ID of book that will be created in here. The second file is bookdatabase.py. This file is used to store a BookDB class. There are 3 attributes in this class, which are file name for the JSON file name, file ID for text files of ID, and the book list that is used to store a book object. This class has 10 methods, which are add book to add a new book into Json Database. As you can see, I use the book ID to be the key of nested dict, and it will store to JSON file just like this. Next is update world and each book to update or detail or specific detail that user want to update. Get a book used to get a book by using books ID. Get all book used to get all books and return in form of dictionary. And get book from list is used to get a book from list of object. And these 2 methods are used for managing and books ID. First is get last ID, used to return listed books ID in collection, and manage ID used to append new ID into file ID. Next, the third file is display.py. This file is used to store display class, and this class have 8 attributes, which are writer to draw a graphic, screen to be a screen of graphic, color S and C for the themes of colors of app, and the parts of 3 folders of picture, which are cover part, pointer part, and pick part. About the method, I will split it into 3 parts. The first part is method for draw graphics such as show text or draw border for decorating. And the second part is the main part. I use this part to be a graphic of each menu, which are adding, finding, filtering, updating, and showing the book on the screen. And the last part is helper of main class, such as check book is used for check a book before adding or updating a book data. Next file is color.py. I use this file to store screen color and console color class. Console color class is for decorating the font color in console, and about screen color, I use is for decorating the theme and color of the application. A last file is app.py that is used to run an application, and you can choose theme before run the program in this line. Okay, now let me show my application demo.